Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will model texture, light, and render this basketball in Blender using Cycle's render engine. If you are new to the channel, please make sure to drop a follow. Select the default cube and light, then press X and delete. Press Shift A and add a UV sphere. Click on this pop-up menu and change the segment's number to 16. Go to the side view by pressing 1 on your numpad. Go to the edit mode by pressing Tab on your keyboard. Press Shift Z to enable the X-ray mode. Select half of the UV sphere and delete. Go back to the object mode, go to the modifiers tab, and add a mirror modifier. Change the X-axis to Z, and don't forget to enable clipping. Go to the edit mode, then select this vertex and delete. Select this vertex, press and hold Shift, then Alt, and left-click to select all the vertices, then deselect this 2 vertices. Right-click and go to Loop Tools and choose Bridge. If you don't have the Loop Tools add-on enabled, just go to the Edit tab, Preferences Add-ons, and search for Loop Tools, enable the add-on, and you are good to go. Press Ctrl R and add an edge loop here. Select this 2 vertices, then press M to join them. After that, select this middle vertices and scale them inwards. Select this edge, then press and hold Alt, then left-click to select all the edges. Press and hold Shift, and press Alt, then left-click to select all the other edges like this. Press Ctrl B to bevel the edges. Change the segment's values to 2. Then select these inner edges and scale them inwards by pressing S. Press Ctrl B again and bevel the inner edges. Roll the middle mouse button to reduce the segment's values to 2. Make sure your faces are selected before going back to object mode. Add a subsurface modifier and set the level's viewport to 2. Go back in edit mode and scale the faces inwards till you get your desired look. Let's go to the Shading tab. Create a new material and change the color to a basketball color. Go into edit mode and make sure the faces are selected. Go to the Material tab and create a new slot by pressing on this plus button and assign it, then click on New button to create a new material and change the color to black. Right-click and choose Shade Auto Smooth. Select the orange material and add a Voronoi texture. Connect the color to the principled BSDF base color. Change the Voronoi texture F1 to Smooth F1. Add a texture coordinate node and connect the texture coordinate node generated to the Voronoi texture vector. Add a mapping node and change the X, Y, and Z values to 70. Add a color ramp. Press on this plus icon to add a new color stop. You can add as many as you like. Adjust them like this. Select the color ramp and duplicate it by pressing Shift D. Click on this arrow button and reset the color ramp. Change the color ramp black to a darker orange and change the white to orange. Connect the first color ramp color to the principled BSDF roughness. Add a bump node and connect the normal to principal BSDF normal. Connect the color ramp color to the height and reduce the strength to 0.05 or 4. Switch to render preview mode. Press Shift-A and add a mesh plane. Scale it up like this. Go to Edit mode, select this edge and press E to extrude. Select this edge and press Ctrl-B to bevel the edge. Roll your middle mouse button to add more edges. Select the camera from your outliner. Go to Edit, Preferences, Input, and choose Emulate Numpad. You only need to do this if you don't have your keyboard with you. Press and hold Ctrl and Alt, then 0 to project the camera to your view. Press N to bring out this tab. Go to View, Lock to Object, and choose Camera to View. Now you can adjust the camera to your liking. Select the ball and press R twice, then rotate the basketball however you like. Go to the Render tab and change it from Eevee to Cycles, then switch to Render Preview mode. Press Shift-A, go to Light, and add a spotlight. Press G-Z to move it up. Scale it down by pressing S. Go to the Light Data Properties, increase the power value. Add a point light and move it around like this. After that, increase the power value.